Are you looking for a way to access cash from your PayPal credit account? In this tutorial, we'll explore how to get a cash advance from PayPal credit in 2025. Let's dive in. First, it's important to know that PayPal does not offer direct cash advances like traditional credit cards. However, you can utilize a workaround by sending money from your PayPal credit to a friend or a family member and then having them send it back to you. This method allows you to access cash indirectly, but be cautious. This is not without risks. Log into your PayPal account. Start by accessing your PayPal account on the website or through the app. Choose the option and send money and enter the recipient's information. Remember, this must be someone you trust as they will need to send the money back to you. When prompted, select your PayPal credit as the funding source for this transaction. Enter the amount you want to send and confirm the transactions. Once the recipient receives the fund, ask them to send the same amount back to your PayPal account. Important considerations: fees and interest. Keep in mind that using this method may incur fees. The interest can accrue quickly if not paid off promptly. Cash advances typically come with high interest rates, so ensure you understand the terms before proceeding. Unlike your regular purchases, repayment on cash advances do not apply towards your balance until the entire account is settled. This can lead to an unexpected debt if not managed carefully. While getting a cash advance from PayPal credit is not straightforward, using this method can provide access to funds while needed. Always weigh the risk and costs involved before proceeding. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips.